Hi guys, how you doing? Here Carlos Valenzuela, your Chilean affiliate from Digital Chaos, and welcome to my Oromode review. Well, in a nutshell, Oromode is a video training course that is going to show you how to unlock multiple streams of income by tapping into various traffic sources to unlock daily commissions. And unlike many other video training courses that I personally don't like and don't promote because I think they're crappy, everybody promises you make money from one day to the other, and this is not true, guys. To be honest, it takes time and it takes commitment. But these other video training courses that has 2-minute long video with crappy, not even edited, and not much content, I don't like. This is very different. It has plenty different modules. Each module sometimes have more than one video. The videos are, I haven't seen a video like shorter than 7 minutes. There are some 14 minutes long. The content is really good. I went over almost through all the training course just to make this review, guys. Okay, it has plenty links that you can click on and get some free tools that are going to help you. It's really good, and for the price, I mean, you have nothing to lose. It costs just $12.95. Okay, so if this is something you may be interested in, please stick with me because I'm going to give you a little bit more detail. I'm going to show you my bonus page that, by the way, have 5 awesome bonuses. And well, another thing I would like to say that we all the affiliates pretty much offer the same bonuses. Okay, so well, you can go, I'm going to go through them anyways, but I want to tell you the difference with me, guys. If that you have any questions, okay, besides leaving me a comment down below in the comment section, you can send me a WhatsApp direct to my mobile. Okay, and my mobile, you will find it on my bonus page. You will find a WhatsApp bubble where you can reach me directly. Even if you don't buy, you can ask me any questions you want. Okay, so if you click on the link down below in my description or in my fixed comment, you will access my bonus page, and from there you can get Oromode and all my bonuses. Okay, also, just before going into my bonus page, I would like to tell you that here on the card, you can click on this card and watch another tutorial I have for the best course ever, but that is a little bit more expensive. It's called Ministry of Freedom. If you wanna, you can check it out, okay? So let's go now over to my bonus page to check the prices and upsell, and of course the bonuses I will be giving you. Alright guys, so here we're inside my personal bonus page. So you can see, you will recognize it because of my personal custom banner, my logo, and my WhatsApp bubble where you can get in touch directly to my cell phone. Okay, well, let's scroll quickly down below. Here we get what Oromode is, and here we get to the prices and upsells. Okay, the upsell number 1 is the pro version for $27, and this is advanced training and proven convert done for you pages, okay, for your promotions. Upsell number 2 is Automode, costs $37, and with this you get 30 of the best converting email swipes to put Oromode into autopilot. The upsell 3 is done for you campaigns for $97, and this you get done for you bonus page with review videos, promo demo, and custom bonuses delivered. You get 2 done for you campaigns every week for a month. Upsell number 4 is unlimited traffic for $97. This will allow customers to put their pixels on our sales page and have a digital email list. Our pages get hit by multiple thousands of buyers. Upsell number 5 is the reseller rights, and with this you get reseller rights to Oromode, and you can enjoy commissions across the sales funnel like it would be your own product. Some of the key benefits is that this is beginner friendly, no need YouTube, email list, social media experience, product creation. It takes just 20 minutes a day. It's really easy, guys, and all this is covered by a no questions asked 30 days money back guarantee, so you have nothing to lose. Okay, to secure your copy and my bonuses, you only need to click on any of these orange buttons that you will find around my page. Okay, and finally, let's get here to the interesting part, my bonuses. If you get Oromode now, you will get all the bonuses that I'm going to list you below. My first one is access to Goodwill. Okay, you will have full access to Goodwill. The second one is a hack to build your Facebook following fast. Number 3 is build your first website in 3 easy step tutorial. And this is a perfect complement for Oromode if you want to make your own website. Okay. Number 4 is access to the software insurgency. And number 5, as always, is access all vendor bonuses. Okay, you can check the vendor bonuses out at the sales page. You can check the vendor bonuses on the sales page by clicking on any of these orange buttons. Okay, guys, all my bonuses are instant delivery bonuses, guys. That means that you're gonna find them right to your purchase files on Warrior Plus. All right, guys, so those were my bonuses. I hope you like them. Like I told you before, you have my WhatsApp bubble there where you can reach me directly in case you have any questions, okay? And the link to my bonus page is down below on the description of this video and also in my fixed comment. Now I would like to show you very quickly how the dashboard looks like, because guys, unfortunately I cannot play the videos for you, okay? But just to make you an idea how it looks like, to me it looks very nice and the content is great. Alright guys, so here we're inside the members area. On the left here we have the menu. First you have a welcome, an overview, but then let me show you a little bit about the videos, because this video to me are not like just any other video training course that has really crappy videos 2-minute long. These all are pretty long. You see, almost 8 minutes. This other one is almost 8 minutes again. And as you can see, they all come with links to nice tools that are gonna help you a lot. Let's check this other one here. For example, this one is again more than 8 minutes and you have another 2 tools, really good. I have tried them. You just click on the links and you can access these free tools. All right, then this other one, for example, has 2 videos if I'm not wrong. Yes, one over 11 minutes, the other one over 14 minutes. Okay, and you get more links here, you see. So those are all the training modules you will get here. Okay, there are more than 10. All right, and unfortunately I cannot show you more. I will play really quick.
Hi there, welcome back to Oromode.
Very well done.
Now we are going to talk about...
So this is not just another training course like I told you guys. I really recommend this to you. Alright guys, and that was my review today for Oromode. I hope you like it, and more than liking it, I hope it helped you take the right decision whether you want to buy it or not, okay? So if you think this video helped you take the right decision, you can let me know by giving me a like, or if you didn't like it, just give me a dislike, and that way I know I have to make it better for next time. And if you consider it appropriate, you can always subscribe to my channel by clicking in this button here, okay? Don't forget that I put the link to my bonus page on my description and on my fixed comment. Thank you for staying all the way to the end with me, guys. I wish you all a great weekend. Take care, be safe, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.